Today tutorial is about how to create wall layers in Revit Architecture for a brick masonry. Here we create a 230 mm brick wall. A brick wall contains two membrane layers, that is paint layer, plastering layers with 15 mm thickness, that is finish 1 and finish 2, and structure layer, that is brick layer with 200 mm thickness. Core boundary. These are the default layers. The core, which is the layers between the two boundary lines, defines the structural part of the walls and influences the behavior of the wall. Let's start our video. To create a 230 mm wall, first need to set unit format, that is project units, UN. In length type, set units in millimeters. OK. To create a wall, in wall architecture, default height of the wall 8000 millimeter, need to set it 3000 millimeter. Click on edit type. Duplicate wall by specifying its name, wall 230 mm. OK. Click on edit. Default layers are in 3. Need to insert new layers. To insert new layer, click on insert. I need to insert total 7 layers. Arrange the layers according wall masonry. First layer is membrane layer. Second one plastering, that is finish 1. Default layers are core boundary, structure, that is brick layer. After core boundary, there will be finish 2, that is plastering. And final layer is membrane layer, that is paint layer. Need to arrange the thickness. Membrane layer 0 mm thickness, finish layer 15 mm thickness, brick layer 200 mm thickness, finish 2 15 mm thickness, and final layer membrane layer as 0 mm thickness. Need to assign its material. Click on edit material. I am assigning these default materials. Structure as a brick layer. Need to assign brick material. I am selecting brick common. OK. For finish and membrane layer, assigning the previous material. Once check as preview, as the layers are arranged as per the material. This is the brick layer, in between plastic layer. OK. OK. Here wall 230 mm. Using this draw option, I am creating a layer. Here material is not displaying. In visual style, set as realistic. In detail level, set as fine to display small materials. Represents a wall with brick layer. One is plastering, brick layer, another layer as plastering. Click on default 3D view for 3D view. Same fine and realistic. These are the membrane layers. This is how we need to create wall layers for a brick masonry. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Press bell icon for new updates.